In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas across sheets in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use formulas across multiple worksheets. This is useful when your data is stored on one sheet, but you want to display the results somewhere else, like in a summary page or report. It helps keep your workbook organized and makes it easier to pull information from one tab into another. Once your workbook is open, make sure your worksheets are prepared. In this example, there are two worksheets, one named Sales and another named Summary. The sales sheet contains the original data, and the summary sheet is where we want to show the result. Setting up your workbook this way makes it much easier to separate raw data from final totals or key information. Next, go to the summary worksheet by clicking the summary sheet tab at the bottom of Excel. In cell A1, type total sales. This label helps identify what the value next to it represents, which is especially helpful if you're building a dashboard or sharing the file with someone else. Now click cell B1 because this is where you want the formula result to appear. Type an equal sign followed by the sheet name sales, then an exclamation mark, and then the cell reference B2. Your formula should read equals sales exclamation mark B2. This tells Excel to look at cell B2 on the sales worksheet and return that value here in the summary sheet. You can adjust this formula depending on what you need. If you want to reference a different cell, simply replace B2 with another cell reference. If you want to pull data from another worksheet, replace sales with the name of that worksheet. And if a worksheet name contains spaces, type the sheet name exactly as it appears, but place it inside single quotation marks before adding the exclamation mark and cell reference. This is important because Excel needs that formatting to read the sheet name correctly. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately return the value from the referenced cell. In this example, the result is 2,500 because cell B2 on the sales worksheet contains the value 2,500. That confirms the formula is correctly pulling data from one sheet into another. And that's it. That's the basic way to use formulas across sheets in Microsoft Excel. And it's a simple but powerful technique for creating cleaner, more efficient workbooks.